Hi everyone, this is Steve Elbourn from ITIC Systems. What we have for the demonstration is we have a PSTN phone that we'll make the external call from. We have an internal Cisco phone, a Teams client, and a native mobile phone. When we make an internal call from the PSTN, all of these devices will ring, and then irrespective of which device we answer the call on, we'll have call recording. So when we initiate a call from outside, we've got the Cisco phone ringing, we've got the mobile phone ringing, and we've got the Teams client ringing. So in this case, I'll answer it on the Cisco phone, and once we answer the call, we'll have call recording initiated as well. For the next demonstration, then we'll do the answer on the Teams client, and then the call will come through and we can answer that on the Teams client. We've answered the call on the Teams client, and it's also being recorded. And then finally, we'll initiate a call. In this case, we've answered the call on the mobile phone. And all of this can happen individually. So if you're in the office, you can answer it on your office phone. If you're in the office or at home, you can answer it on your Teams client. And if you're out in mobile, you can answer it on the mobile device. And every call, irrespective of the device, once again, is going to be call recorded. What we can do is also allow transfer between devices. So the app will allow us to switch from the mobile phone to the Teams client. So now the call transfer will go through, and we are talking on our external phone to our Teams client. If we want to transfer the call between the Teams client and the desk phone, we can also do that through the app. You can see the transfers being initiated. We answer, and we connect, and now the call is between the external call and the Cisco phone. If we want to transfer back to the Teams app, we can do that again. You can see the Teams app's calling at the moment. We answer that. And go on mute. And now we're talking between the Teams client and the external call. So transfers are possible, call recording's always on, and very excited about this moving forward.